morning students. Our next chapter is sets. Chapter name is sets, relations and functions given. First we will see the concept sets. After that we will see relations and functions. Okay. First see the concept sets. I'll write the definition. Definition of set is a well defined collection of objects. Okay, it's a definition given in the textbook. Set is a well defined collection of objects, or I'll take set is the well defined collection of objects. Here in the definition they mentioned well defined collection. Take one example. Suppose you are considering 3 persons, 1 2 3. Okay, suppose you are going to ask these 3 persons same question. It is best IPL teams. If you ask the first person, he may say it's equal to CSK, RCB, then KKR. Then ask the second person with the same question, name the 3 best IPL teams. That time may say CSK, then Delhi Capitals, or he may say Mumbai Indians. Okay, then ask the third person with same question, name 3 best IPL teams. That time also he may reply CSK, RCB, then Rajasthan Royals. Okay, see, with 3 persons you are asking the same question, best IPL teams or 3 best IPL teams. See, first one, see CSK, RCB, Kolkata Knight Riders is there. Second, CSK, Delhi Capitals, Mumbai Indians is there. CSK, RCB, Rajasthan Royals there. All these answers are different, right? If you observe, see, first one is different from the second one is different from the third one. Okay, these are some collections, right? You're collecting best 3 IPL teams, okay, according to the opinion of 3 peoples. Now see, with the same people, 1 2 3 persons are there. Now ask the question, name the first 5 natural numbers. Okay, now see, ask the first person, answer is 1 2 3 4 5. Ask the second person, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if you ask the same question with the third person, his answer also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now you can see the difference between the first collection and the second collection. First collection, see, answers are different, right? But in the second collection, see, answer is same, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, by this you can say that first one, this is the example for collection. Okay, just collecting the objects. If you observe the second one, here it's a well defined collection. Okay, reason is why I am saying this is a well defined collection, because if you ask different people, their answer must be same. If you ask any person who knows what's the meaning of natural number, then his answer must be the same. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 only. Okay, so if you are collecting objects, then we called it as collection. This one also collection, but it's a well defined collection. So set is not only a collection, set is the well defined collection of objects. So 3 best IPL teams, this is not an example for the set. But first 5 natural numbers, that is an example for the sets, because first one is only a collection, but the second one is the well defined collection. So set is a well defined collection of objects. For example, see, I am taking vowels and English alphabet. Ask any persons, their answer is A, E, I, O, U. Or take the second example, integers less than Okay, 5 integers less than 5. What are the integers less than 5? We know there exist infinitely many integers, right? So we can write it as 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, up to where? Up to infinity. Now see, this is also a well defined collection. Okay, therefore set is nothing but a well defined collection of objects. Next is representation of sets. Okay, there are two representations are there. First one is the roster form. Okay, roster form or tabular form. Okay, now see, in this form, to represent set in roster form, first what you have to do is write the elements of the given set. Write the elements of the given set. After that, enclose the elements within in flower bracket. Okay, like this, and separate the elements with commas. Okay, this is how to write the set in a roster form. Okay, don't bother about the theory what it says. Very simple. See, suppose I am taking one set that says natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers less than 6. You're taking natural numbers less than 6. We know what's a natural number less than 6, right? What are the elements? First you need to list the elements. Natural numbers less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not included because less than 6. To write this set, first take one letter. A is equal to, now see, write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now enclose these elements within a flower bracket. Now see, here I listed elements, then separated by the commas, and writing that elements inside a flower bracket. This is the roster form representation or tabular form of the given set. Okay, now see, here very important observation you have to remember is set is generally denoted by capital letters. Okay, it's just name of the sets, but while naming the set you need to take capital letters A, B, C. You can take any letters out of 26 letters. Generally we are representing it by a caps letters. Okay, now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, right? We call these numbers as elements of the set A. Okay, for example, I am taking set A is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay, consider this set. Okay, then here see, I am denoting set by caps letter. Here A, B, C, D are called elements of the set A. We call it as element of the set A. Okay, then see, what are the elements here in the above example? Elements of the set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now once again see, here A is an element of set A, that is denoted by A belongs to A. We read it as A belongs to set A. Okay, small letter A is the element of the A. You can observe now, this small letter A is in A, so we write it as A belongs to A. This symbol says belongs, that means A is in the set A. How to write the second element? See, you can observe B also in set A, right? So you can write it as B belongs to A, as well as C, you can write it as C belongs to A, also D belongs to A. Okay, now observe the element E. check whether E belongs to A or not belongs to A. Here in set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 elements are there, right? So in this case you can write it as E not belongs to A. If you put one bar to belong symbol, we read it as not belongs. Okay, we read it as E not belongs to, okay, the given set A. Okay, this is a representation. If you take any element of the set A, then see if that set is in A, we can write it as A belongs to A. This symbol says element in set A. This symbol says element not belongs to the given set A. Now take some examples for roster form. Suppose I am taking A equal to all the integers greater than 0. Okay, you need to list all the integers greater than 0. What's a possible element? A is equal to greater than 0 means 0 is not included, right? 1, 2, 3 up to where? Up to infinity. You need to put dash dash inside the bracket. We read it as set A such that elements 1, 2, 3 dash dash. Okay, take the second set B. Okay, such that I'll write vowels in English alphabet. Okay, then what's the possible elements of B? You need to write set B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so how to represent in roster form? Or see, I'm taking another set C such that positive even numbers, positive even numbers less than 10. Positive even numbers less than 10. That time you can write it as set C is equal to positive even numbers. What are the positive even numbers? That starts from 2, right? You can write it as 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 is not included. Why? It is less than given. So up to 8 C value. Or take D such that prime numbers, okay, less than 21. Okay, all the prime numbers less than 21. What are the prime numbers less than 21? Can write it as set D is equal to first caps letter D, then equal, then flower bracket. Write the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, 19. Okay, only up to 19 only, because 21 is not a prime number and less than given. Okay, these are all the prime numbers less than 21. This is how to write the set in the roster form. Clear? Next representation is set builder form or ruler method. Okay, it's an important method. See, set builder form or ruler method is given. Okay, in this method we need to construct a rule which is obeyed by all the elements of the given set and is not obeyed by any element outside the set. Okay, just remember ruler method or set builder method means you need to construct some rule. That rule is obeyed by, that means that rule is applicable to only elements of the given set only, and that rule is not applicable to any element outside the set. For example, see, I am taking one set A in roster form. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, we need to write the set in set builder form or ruler method. See, I am writing it as A is equal to set of all x. Okay, it's a method. You take A is equal to set of all x such that, okay, we read it as set A is equal to set of all x such that. Here x represents each element of the given set A. Here x equal to 2, x equal to 4, x equal to 6, x equal to 8, x equal to 10. Observe the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is given. You can say that all the numbers are even numbers, right? Here all the numbers are represented by a single element x. So you can write it as set of all x such that x is an even number. Okay, I'm writing up to here only. X is an even number. What are the possible even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 14, 18. All these are even numbers only, right? Up to infinity even numbers are there. Suppose I am writing up to here only. X is a even number. Then see, 2 is a even number holds. 4 is a even number, okay. 6 is a even number, okay, that belongs to A. 8 is a even number, that belongs to A. 10 is a even number, that belongs to A. Then see 12. 12 also a even number. If you are writing only x is a even number means you can take 12 also, right? Then what you will get? 12 is an even number. But check, 12 is not belongs to A. Then check 16. 16 is a even number, but 16 is not in A. Or 14, you can observe 14 is a even number, but our observation is 14 is not in set A. Similarly 18 also not belongs to the set A. That means this much is not enough. Okay, you need to add one more rule. This is the one rule. X is a even number. But our observation is that rule is applicable to other elements of the set, but that elements are not in given set. So you need to restrict the rule to the given set A only. That's why I am adding and x is less than 12. Okay, x is less than 12. That means what you have to write? X is a even number. Write all the even numbers and that even numbers are less than 12. Okay, what are the possibility even numbers less than 12? It's equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We can't add 12. Why? Because here x, your number must be less than 12 is given, right? So you need to take up to 10 only. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you can observe it's equal to given set A. Okay, this is how to represent set in a set builder form. If you take 14, okay, apply the rule. 14 is a even number and 14 is less than 12. Is it true? No, right? 14 is greater than 12, right? So 14 is not possible. Or take 12. 12 is an even number. Okay, first one holds and 12 is less than 12. No, right? 12 is equal to 12. So 12 also not possible, and also even numbers greater than 12 also not possible. So this is how to represent set in a set builder form. Okay. Here see, one more very important observation is whenever even number comes or odd number comes in your syllabus, in this chapter you are considering only positive even numbers, or you are considering positive odd numbers. Okay, in the definition of even and odd numbers we saw, right, that may be positive or negative. Even number means -2 is a even number, as well as -3 also a odd number. But here we are talking about only positive even numbers as well as positive odd numbers. We are not going to mention positive even numbers or negative even numbers. Here even numbers means you need to take only a positive even numbers. Odd numbers means you need to take only a positive odd numbers. Okay. Okay. Just take the second example. I'll take see A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 1 3 5 7 is there. How to write it in set builder form? Set of all A, set A is equal to set of all x such that, what is x? X equal to 1, x equal to 3, x equal to 5, x equal to 7. What is your observation? You can see 1 is a odd number, 3 is a odd number, 5 is a odd number, 7 is a odd number. So you can write it as set of all x such that x is an odd number. Okay, and you need to continue, right? Why? Because only 4 odd numbers are given, and you need to write and x is less than or equal to 7. Okay, then see what are the possibility number? 1 3 5 7. Here equal to 7 is there, right? So you can take 7 also. Or similarly you can write same set in the form set of all x such that x is an odd number and x less than 8. It's the same representation. Why? Write odd numbers less than or equal to 7. 1 3 5 7. Why 7 included? Here you can see equal to 7 or less than 7. Now see, here take the second representation. X is a odd number and x less than 8. That means write all the odd numbers less than 8. What are the odd numbers less than 8? 1, 3, 5, 7. These two are equal to the given set. So you can write the, so whenever question is asked and write the set builder form, you can write like this or you can write like this. Your answer is same. Okay, this is how to write the set in set builder form and roster forms.